Good morning! I miss you so much. It's been a while since I'm not vlogging again. Oh my goodness me. So, happy Saturday! Naisip ko today while it's Saturday, tapos si Mister, he's working half day. So, ang naisip ko parang, anong nangyari sa ating kakilayan? Pero anyway, naisip ko na ipaprank ko si Mister sa aming TV. So, I think, yeah, is 11:15 na ng tanghali. Maybe about 12 o'clock. Nandito na siya. So, ipaprank natin siya. Tignan natin kung ano reaction niya kasi mahal na mahal niya yung TV niya. First time ko iprank si Mister, but hopefully it's gonna be okay. At malalaman niyo kung anong reaction niya mamaya. So, hindi ko muna siya i-ready yung TV kasi medyo maaga pa. I-ready ko siya maybe 11:45 kasi alam ko mga 12 o'clock uuwi na yun. Tapos, tatawagan natin siya bago siya uuwi para alam natin. Sabihin ko, binato ni James yung TV. So, tignan natin mamaya kung anong reaction niya. So, guys, ayan, update ko na kayo. It's 5 to 12 na. Ayan, naka-ready na yung ating TV. Sana wala siyang advert para hindi tayo mahuli. So, ayan, nilagay ko siya sa 1-hour crack screen. So, para pagpasok ni Mister, tawag nito, makikita niya. Tapos, ngayon, gagawin natin, tatawagan natin siya. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna find my phone. Tawagan natin siya. Tanungin natin kung anong oras siya uuwi. Shh, Bob, you gonna be. Tawagan natin siya.
Hi, sweet.
Hello, honey. Are you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright.
Are you about to go home?
Yeah.
All right.
He's gonna go home now.
Okay.
So, yeah. Alright, sweetie.
Yeah, Baba's done something.
What's he done?
Telly.
Telly?
Yeah.
What telly?
He threw the, what is it? Your hand control.
Mine?
Yeah, broke the telly.
Yeah, and is he? What's it done then?
You know what he
Telly,
like?
what
If he come into the, what is it? If he come into the cabin, he get the hand
what?
control and throw it in the telly. Because I can't do it.
Was it smashed it then?
Yeah, the screen is, what is it? But you can see it if you come back home.
Yeah.
Naughty boy.
Bloody hell, eh? Oh,
Can you hear him?
crazy bugger. Aye. Oh, alright then, sweet.
Yeah, I'll see you soon then, yeah?
Yeah, okay then.
Yeah, love you a lot.
Yeah, love you too.
Hope
Bye.
you're not gonna told him off.
I'll smack his bum.
Oh dear.
Okay. Alright then.
Yeah, see you soon.
Yeah, see you then.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah. See ya.
Yeah, bye. So, ayun nga. This is exciting. Napaniwala natin siya. Sabi ko na binato nga ni James sa hand control yung TV. Kaya yung screen ganyan. So, let's wait and see what's his reaction. Andito na si Mr. guys. Nagbihis siya. Andoon sa bahay nagbihis. So, ilagay ko kayo dito para hindi tayo mahalata.
it then. You
It's not
crazy
done
bug.
anything. What's she doing, eh? What's she doing?
You don't know.
Sorry.
They come in worried to death.
You bugger. Is it there? A screensaver.
See, Rob's seeing with the controller, the blue
You
one.
little monkey.
He ain't bothered, does he?
I say, I'm sorry, Daddy.
Successful prank. I'm sorry, honey. I can see your reaction. That's
I thought, what's mummy laughing for?
that's why I did that. Let it.
Oh. He's a monkey.
Yay! Successful prank.